Do you know how to use the articles a, an, and the? Test what you know with interactive exercises and read the explanation to help you. Look at these examples to see how articles are used. She's a scientist. I want an apple. Have you read the book I gave you? I like playing with my brother. Singular nouns. Singular and countable nouns always have an article, a, an, or the, or another determiner, my, your, this, that, etc. We use a, an, the indefinite article when we talk about something for the first time or something that is part of a group or type. I read a good book yesterday. Do you want an orange? We use a when the word that follows it begins with a consonant sound. We use an when it is followed by a vowel sound. This makes pronunciation easier. For example, she has a unicycle. It took me an hour to get home. We use the definite article when the listener already knows which thing we are talking about because it was mentioned before or because there's only one of them. I am feeding the cat right now. Have you seen the news? They go to the school next to the police station. Things in general. When we talk about things in general, we normally use a plural or uncountable noun with no article. Cats eat fish. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Children like watching TV are all examples. Particular groups of things. When we talk about a particular group of things, we use the. We went to the zoo and saw the kangaroos. These are particular kangaroos in that zoo, not kangaroos in general. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you. See you all another time.